thought that t-shirt businesses were dead, you are wrong. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create high quality designs in under 10 minutes and how you can use those designs to make an average of $5,000 every single month. But the key here is that you have to have high quality. Now, everything I'm going to show you is going to be super easy, super affordable. You can do this with under $20 if you use this one website. What's up, money makers? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond Chanel and we talk about all things money. And on this channel, I want to show you how to thrive in life and not just survive. And so this is why we love talking about passive income. Now, one of the easiest methods that you probably have heard about when it comes to earning passive income is going to be through t-shirts businesses. Why? Because they're low cost, low risk. Even if you make a mistake or you never sell a t-shirt, you literally lose nothing. And on top of that, if you use the right resources, it is super quick to create a few t-shirt designs. So I'm going to be taking you through the website that is called Kittl. And this is a website that has thousands of high quality designs that you could be using in order to make hundreds, even thousands of dollars in passive income every month. Now, where am I getting these numbers from? Well, according to ZipRecruiter, as of January 30, 2024, the average work from home print on demand business makes $4,639 a month. That is literally just as much as the average American makes in a full-time job. So we're talking about something that can make you that same amount of money. And we're talking about something that you could be doing part-time, maybe 4 hours a week. So let's just get into it, because the very first step to this is making sure that you have quality designs. Now, if you need a full game plan on where you're going to put these designs, then I have more information on that towards the end of the video. So just stick with me for a second. So we're going to go over to one of my favorite websites, and it's called Kittl. And I'm going to show you two different ways that you can make really high quality designs for your t-shirt business, and neither of which is going to require a lot of effort. So the first way that you can do that is by using their templates. So we can go over here and go to templates, and they're not just for t-shirt designs. They also have logos, posters, cards, labels, stickers, covers, all types of stuff, okay? Even different types of t-shirts. And this is where you're going to find some high quality graphics for your t-shirt business. Now, as you can see, we have so many different themes here, from like really grungy to soft to something that's a little bit more simple, and things that are a little bit more complicated, right? So we're gonna go over Kittl's licensing and copywriting policies before we even go forward. So what are we permitted to use? So you are allowed to use designs in the following ways: for your own personal projects, commercial projects, or for commercial projects commissioned by third parties, which means that you can use these designs if you just want to play with the designs. You could use the designs to sell, which is what commercial rights are, to sell, and for commercial projects, meaning that you are creating designs for a client. So it also says here for multiple clients and multiple projects. For physical end products, so the user may use designs for all kinds of merchandise, such as t-shirts, posters, mugs, including print-on-demand products with no limit of quantity. So this is very important for you to know, so that you don't have to be afraid when you are creating these designs. And for images of websites, apps, video games, or social media posts, you are not allowed to use these designs in the following ways, which is going to be to compete with Kittl's business. This includes sharing, selling, distributing, or making designs available for download on platforms that compete with Kittl platform, including stock platforms, digital marketplaces, or cloud-based design softwares, to claim rights to register designs, or mislead the Kittl community if designs were created with AI features. So these are the things that we just want to know, so that we know that we are able to sell these designs, okay? So like I said, there are two different ways that you can generate designs through this website. And one is going to be through templates. The second way is going to be through AI. And you guys are going to chuckle at the little AI things that I've created. They were pretty cool. And I'm going to show you that in just a second. Okay, so I'm going to show you a few different variations. So this one is obviously like a little more graphic and a little more detail orientated. So you can change up the fonts, change up the colors. You can even change up the pictures and the graphics, and they do have elements there for you to be able to use. And I realized I spelled my own name wrong, guys. Oh my God. Anyways, so anything that you need to go in and change, you could do that. Now there's more simple designs, like the more text designs, and I'm going to show you one that I created for like Valentine's Day. So I took this really simple one that just says love ya, and I changed it to something like kiss me, something that is romantic and on theme for February. So after I changed this, and it only took me a few seconds to do so, I changed up the text and then I changed up the colors. And then you'll be able to preview what it is actually going to look like on a t-shirt, and also what it will look like on a person. So you can also use these images for your shop. Now we're going to get into the first sector of the AI. So the first thing that I tried with AI is the logo generator. So I just put something like really random, like Diamond Chanel's hip hop. I don't know. Just put it together so I can show you guys an example of what it will generate. It's going to generate a logo given the text that you give it. If you feed the AI more details and more specifics, it's going to give you that. So that's what that would look like on a t-shirt. Now I'm going to show you the really cute design that I liked, and this is where I try to feed the AI as much detail possible, and that's where I saw the best results. So at first I started off with something basic. I said, give me clip art of a black Labrador smiling and with a black female, right? And this is what it produced. So then I went in and I said, give me more, by giving more specifics like highlights and something that resembles Nicki Minaj. And this is what it gave me. So then I added some text that said best friends. I should have said best friends forever. That would have been cute. Anyways, then I added some pause, and then you could see what this will look like on different products with different colors, how it's going to look on tote bags, how it will look on pillows, how it's going to look on t-shirts, and so many other different things, even like a coffee mug. And this is just to give you guys a little bit of inspiration on how you can use Kittl to make great designs. Now listen, you guys can get 50% off when you use the coupon code DIAMOND at checkout, and the links are going to be in the description. So once you're finished and you're ready to move on from taking your design to now putting it on your t-shirt or any of your print-on-demand products, you can come over here to My Projects, and then you can click on your project, and we're going to click on Download. Then let's head over to printify.com, and we're going to go to catalog, and we're going to find the product that we want. Since we're talking about t-shirts, that's what we're going to use. We're going to take our image, go ahead, download it, add it to our t-shirt, and we need to make sure that this thing says high resolution. If it says low resolution, then you don't have a good graphic and you don't want that. So this is what the t-shirt would look like. We could do different colors. We could make it bigger. We could make it smaller. Now this might not be the prettiest thing, but I'm just showing you guys again for inspiration purposes, the things that you can do. You can either connect your Etsy shop, connect your Shopify shop, or something new that we have here is our TikTok shop, which is going to be here. Now, if you want to know more about TikTok shop and how you can start selling t-shirts, coffee mugs, stickers, anything print on demand related on your TikTok shop, then you're definitely going to want to check out the video here. So once you connect your TikTok shop, your Etsy shop, your Shopify shop, you're going to click on publish, and you'll be ready to start selling t-shirts. Now, the great thing about print on demand or t-shirt designs is that you are able to create so many different variations and so many different designs and test them out without losing money. And since this is so quick, you're really not losing any time either. This is something that you could be doing on a Saturday night while you're not working and just playing with these designs and putting them on different products. So don't just stick with t-shirts, do stickers, do notebooks, do all of that good stuff, list them up on these platforms, and then see which ones get the most traffic and which ones you make your first sales in. Now, I've shown you multiple times on Etsy how I've been able to make sales within the first 24 hours. It really was not difficult whatsoever. So if you want to see more about how you can start using TikTok shop, if you want a full breakdown about print on demand and how you actually have a good print on demand business in 2024, then you need to check out this video here. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.